This is what I'm wearing. Hello guys, good morning. I am getting gas really quick and then I'm heading up to my friend Linsey's salon, PERLEI salon in Wayne, New Jersey. I'm changing my hair for the first time in probably 4 or 5 years. I don't remember exactly how long, but it's been a very long time. And my hair has just been one color, dark brown, for as long as I can remember. And I love it dark. I'm like a creature of habit. I just think it looks the best on me. But I've been wanting to do the color that I'm about to do today for a while, and it's nothing crazy, but I've been wanting to do it for a while, as I mentioned, so I figured why not start fresh? That way, new year, new me, feeling good the past couple of days. I've been really like inspired again, and I don't know, I just want a little bit of a change. So I figured I would bring you guys along with me today. I'm running about 25 minutes late. Me and Moo filmed a video last night and got a little silly, and I woke up on time, but oh my god, why? Alright, well I can't vlog in the car because my camera keeps falling. The suction cup mount keeps dropping. I don't know how my camera's still working. You know how many times I've broken these cameras. So I will see you guys in a little bit. So I just pulled up to the salon. You guys, this is the most beautiful salon in the whole world. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour as well. So say goodbye to my dark hair. Can you guys guess right now in the comments what color do you think I'm gonna do? All right, let's go. Oh, Daphne. Daphne! Hi! Hello! What's up? Hi, babe. How are ya? Hey. Hi. How are you? Good to see you. Oh my god, look at you, you little freaking cutie. Look at this little thing I got. Hi, babe. Hello. How are you? Yeah, me? I'm wearing sweats. I know you're gonna be all done up. What's up? What's up, mommy? Come here. Come to me. Come to me. This is so fucking pretty. Yeah. So I'm dyeing my hair blonde today.
I know, I heard.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm not doing blondes. You thought I was gonna go blondes?
I thought you were gonna do like little pieces blonde.
Yeah, no, a couple. Well, not like blondes. Like brown.
You're so cool. Are you so mad? I mean, are you so happy you're not in this room right
Yeah, I know. It smells like keratin. Hey guys, I'm here with Yasmin. She's getting her hair done. What are you doing today?
Highlight.
Highlight?
What are you doing?
Well, I didn't tell them yet, but I'm gonna do.
Are you going short?
No, oh my god, never. No, I'm gonna do like darker pieces, and then I'm gonna do like some highlights.
Okay, nice.
Because I haven't done it in a while.
It's been a while.
We'll see both of our final results very soon.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's a flower ice cube?
That Linsey made, of course.
I'm sorry. Grab my phone when you get a chance. Yeah.
Since where did you learn about this flower ice cube thing?
Pinterest.
Sky's beautiful and so are you. I wanna make it up to you, start something new. Yeah, I've been thinking
The lightener.
of the parts I played
Tons of Olaplex.
and how I'm drinking from the bottle as I do. It's like a long dream.
I saw her live and I cried the whole time. Like a baby. So it says silver. Does that mean it's silver? What is this just like a bleach?
This right here?
Yeah.
It's the foil color. Somehow.
I thought because this looks like purpley, you know?
It is. It has a little bit of like a blue.
You know, I used to do like my own highlights. They were always so terrible. Oh my! I always thought every time I was like, oh yeah, I got this. It was terrible.
Alexa, play country music. I started dancing around the room like this, like a ballerina.
That's not surprising.
Cassandra.
What did you do the other day when you were like, oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
But again, and I was like, that's how I know you're like really into it. What were we talking
Angelo
about?
was playing with the cameras. And
Oh, and you saw the blurry background. Say it.
Oh, yeah, that.
Do it.
One last, wait.
Oh yeah. Do it.
I can't do it on the spot. I'll do it in a second.
I'm gonna insert the video from. Can I put it in?
Grease?
Yeah.
With this one?
When you played with my palette for the first time.
Oh yeah! This shit is awesome.
4 years after it launched.
I know.
This
because
is good. This is great. Oh yeah. Come on, one time. One time.
Oh yeah, I can't.
Do it. Why? Who cares?
No, oh yeah.
Ew, that's not it. Who are you? What did you do with my friend?
I'll come out, I promise. I swear. Sorry.
How's it lifting? Is it lifting good?
Oh yeah.
I love you.
I was just gonna say, let's all hold hands and say a prayer.
Oh, sweet baby Jesus.
Hold this back.
It's orange.
I mean,
Is it?
Not terrible.
We're moving. And this has only been on for what, like 20? Stay put. There's hope.
Would it, like, is it
The ends
possible
are
for
gonna
it
be
to not
okay.
lift? Determination in your eyes.
Yes.
We're going in.
For the money.
How is that going to be brushing that out later?
It's gonna be great.
It's going to be fun, huh?
We have like 6 hands combined right now. Angie!
Can I get a drink?
Just one Angie wave. Just a quick one. Hey. Bye. Look at Dash following him. Great angle of all of you guys.
Oh my gosh.
What up? Ready? Ready? Go get it. She's so cute. Holding my hair. It takes a village, huh? This is a really cute look for me too.
You're on the wrong team. Oh, there's a lie.
Here we are lifting. It's really actually very nice.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey.
There's a lie.
I think I need a haircut.
Coming out of me every time I see.
This foil is absolutely ridiculous. Look at this.
It's like a blanket.
And there's a fire coming out of me.
Forehead's off.
Was a destroyer.
Donald Trump. Oh yeah. I don't know what it like. How do I have like mascara under my eyes? I'm falling apart, ladies. I've been here too long.
You're not here during the day, it's no.
Always a full day thing. Oh, I thought you were gonna give me a hug.
All right, you ready?
What am I doing?
Just lay back. Okay, ready?
Oh my god, these foils though. Oh, Daff.
Daddy, beat. Beat, 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 beat,
Ah.
beat, beat, beat. Put your hands in
Sorry in advance if they're black for weeks. This is what color my skin really is. It looks nice and orange. So that's the color I was going for, is the orange.
This is the final look.
The final result.
One is a warrior, fighting hard to be the better part of me, the better part of me, the better part of me. Another day, another rhyme, trying to sugarcoat and reconcile, so I can do a dance and make us both forget, only to start it up and play it out again. It's like a long dream. You're on the wrong team.
It looks so good. So I just got home. It's Mama's birthday. I got her some gorgeous flowers. And then usually every year we do Bahamas for her birthday. And this year I kind of made it seem like I don't know if we can go. So for her gift, I got her a beach bag with some beach towels and like sunblock and stuff like that. And then a little mock boarding pass and a coupon for one vacation to the Bahamas, because we just have to pick a date that's gonna work for both of us, and hopefully Amanda can join us. I can't wait to see her reaction. So I had to run out of there because I have plans to go out with my mom, but this is my hair. I'm obsessed. Added some like ashy brown highlights, and I guess it's kind of hard to tell with this lighting, but it looks so amazing and I'm obsessed. She said next time maybe we'll do a couple more, but I have like the front money pieces, and honestly I love it. It's like subtle, but it's a change, and my hair's all one color. Besides the highlights, it was like such a mess. Honestly, I was using box dye for like the past, I don't know, 6 months. So it feels so good to have fresh hair. I just quickly fixed my makeup because it was terrible. But I'm taking Mama out tonight for her birthday. That's my plan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Linsey and all the beautiful girls over at PERLEI. You guys have to go check out that salon. I drive an hour for it and it is worth it every single time. Hello. Hi.
I love it.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Pretty?
Yeah. Oh, it's kind of
Hi,
like
happy
mine.
birthday.
Thank you.
Similar. See, it's like ashy, but
I love it.
It's cute, right?
Oh my goodness. Is this all for me?
Well, the flowers are. But you have to look into the bag.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Yeah?
Oh, they're beautiful.
Can you look over here?
Where?
In that bag. Isn't it cute?
Oh my god. How did you get this done?
Printed it.
Oh my god.
And then we'll pick a day.
Yay.
Yay. Happy birthday. I love you. Mwah.
You're making it all better.
You're so cute.
Alright.
Just got ready for a wedding. This is what I'm wearing.
Thanks, Bob.
Look at my new hair. Who am I? Are you ready? Do you like my hair?
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Thanks, babe. We're running really late. It took us like 2.5 hours to get here.
Yeah.
How fun was that? It was so fun.
Traffic was
Yeah.
horrible.
And did you hear what she said? That the shuttle that left here at 5 still isn't there yet? It's only 10 minutes away and they're still not there. That's how
How
much
are we
traffic.
getting there?
We're gonna Uber. I'm gonna check the time right now.
Okay.
I only have one shoe on because Daphne just went and got me a Band-Aid from her room.
And there's a